Welcome back, guys. So this is the Autel Maxisys Ultralight. It's got a 12.9 inch screen, very handy. Now I'm going to go through just the basics today. However, on another day I am going to plug it into one of the vehicles and I will flick through all the programs it does, the coding it does, the functions it has, and I will compare this to the previous ones I've had and to any other ones there are out there. Just the basics on this one. So I'm just going to show you all the vehicles it covers. However, with the green thing, don't worry about that much because I'm currently updating it as we're going along. These are the vehicles it covers. It's a wide range, as you can see. Quite plenty of vehicles. However, if you want to narrow it down to, for instance, American vehicles, there you go. To European vehicles, boom, there you are. Asia, there you are. It's all there. And China, these are the vehicles that China do. It's all there. So, but anyway, we'll leave it on that anyway. That you click and you click auto detect if the cable was plugged in anyway. So these are the should we say service or hot functions that it does with some of the vehicles. Now, some of the things you see here, you will not be able to do on every car. So, for instance, let's say if you plugged it into a Fiat Punto, for instance, or a Ford Fiesta, you will not be able to do some of this. You will not be able to do some of this, etc. Some cars, obviously, you're able to do a majority of it. So, for instance, let's say BMW, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to do all this here and a few here as well, like transmission, adaptation, etc., etc. But for specific vehicles, you're not able to. Coming back out of this, I've not really used it much. I can't really comment. Yeah, I mean, there are plenty of other options. Like I said, I've not really used it much to see what's what. But yeah, it's quite nice compared to the others that I've used. Very handy. That's your data manager. Your VCR manager is to do with that. And obviously, once you connect it up with the power or the power of a vehicle, it will then tell you if it's up to date or not. You click on it, it will then kind of tell you what the latest software is on them. On setting, there's nothing much on here really. I won't even bother much with that. And that's your home button. So this is your home page. I've used that quite a lot in the past. I don't think you'll need to use that, not bother much with it. But it's pretty basic, nothing crazy really. You've got all the options at the bottom as well here. This is the back, like we've said, that's your camera. It's literally like an iPad but with this secure surround, and this does pop out quite easily, so just kind of do that. Nothing special really, but yeah, I mean, I wouldn't. One thing I'd say, I'd like to charge up with the charger itself there rather than this, because if you keep lifting it, putting it in, lifting it, putting it in, it will start to scratch all this, even though it's for work use anyway. But yeah, it will kind of deteriorate the rubber here.